Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
Sandblasters.
Number 5.
Fest Night Portable Gravity Pneumatics at Home. The roof-mounted hopper is perfect for spot fully adjustable media flow valve gives you precise control. All aluminum body is lightweight, handheld for easy operation. Removal and larger parts that won't fit into cabinet. Dedicated to all kinds of light and small metal corners, spray polishing, primary edges.
Number 4.
Sarora Portable Gravity Sandblasting Gun. You can use the sandblasting flow and replace the nozzle. It has its own sanding container with large capacity for convenient loading. The inlet connector is equipped with a filter to prevent clogging. The aluminum body is light, portable and easy to operate. It saves the sand and blasts sand quickly and evenly. Common sand of 46-100 meshes, such as black steel jade, emery sand and glass bead, can be used for the product.
Number 3.
Sandblasting Gun Sandblaster. Surface sandblasting, marble engraving. Instead of cast iron, alloy steel blast nozzle, saving steel, reduce the cost. Using the performance is good, strong wear resistance, long life, high efficiency. Multi-purpose design for blasting in high-pressure liquid or air cleaning of parts and surfaces. The color of the actual items may slightly vary from the above images due to different computer screen.
Number 2.
Sandblasting Gun with Hopper Gravity Feed. Perfect for all your small to medium-sized sandblasting jobs, spray polishing, burrs, rust details. Accepts multiple types of media including black corundum, emery, glass beads, etc. 30-120 mesh. According to your using habit, sandblast flows can be adjusted and nozzles can be changed. Body made of light aluminum. Handheld frame grip is ergonomic, lightweight and portable. If any quality problem or part accessories miss, please contact seller. We will arrange the refund or replacement for you at first time.
Number 1.
Tanis Sandblasting Gun Sandblaster. Designed for efficient sandblasting, liquid and air cleaning of parts and surfaces. Can be used for sand glass, sandblasting, surface polishing processing, machinery parts. Instead of cast iron, alloy steel blast nozzle, Saving steel, reduce the cost. Using the performance is good, strong wear resistance, long life, high efficiency. Minimum air requirement, 6 CFM at 80 C.